Hello students, again we have came up with a new video for the MSc series 2025 with the question 2. So as we have already discussed with you that today we have came up with solving of the MSc paper 2025 and we have expected questions for 2025 examination, and this is your question 2 of the series. So what is in the question? Let us quickly see. If the production function is fx1 is equals to x1 x2, then it exhibits what? Is it exhibits constant returns to scale, or increasing returns to scale, decreasing returns to scale, or diminishing marginal productivity? So here we know that to check the returns of scale of the production, we have to see the function. So here what is our function? Our function is fx1 x2 is equals to x1 x2, and we scale both inputs by a constant p greater than 0, and we will see that what happens to the output. So function of tx1 tx2 is tx1 and tx2. So then it will come x1 x2. So hereby we can write p square f x1 x2. So that means since output increases, as you can see, by square, so we can say that a function of tx1 tx2 is greater than t of function x1 x2 for t greater than 1. So that means it is increasing returns to scale. So the correct answer is increasing returns to scale for this question. So for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel and let us know if you need anything else.